Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So here are 5 fondant mistakes to avoid in case you're just starting out with fondant, or maybe you're even very experienced with fondant. It just shows you pepper once in a while. So today I'm going to be giving you guys some mistakes to avoid. So one of the most important that I learned really late in my cake decoration journey is not to use liquid coloring. Guys, don't use liquid coloring. Fondant is very temperamental, so when you add liquid to it, you're already changing the consistency of your fondant, even if you got the perfect fondant in the first place. So always use gel or dye for coloring. So number 2 is that always make sure your hands are not wet. So that means at the intervals you need to dusting your palms with cornstarch or icing sugar. And some people have naturally like sweaty palms, so make sure you wear gloves because you don't want to be getting your sweat on your customers' skin. Nasty. So make sure you always wear gloves if you have sweaty palms. Number 3 is that you have to walk very fast. If you think you have to walk fast, then you have to walk faster. Because fondant dries out really fast and it can be very temperamental. So as you're learning to work with fondant, you have to learn to walk really fast. Even if you're a professional, you know the importance of working fast. Number 5 is that there's a difference between gum paste and fondant, so use them accordingly. So number 6 is one of the most important, and I learned it quite late. You don't have to make your own fondant, guys. You can buy. There's fondant everywhere, and they are usually affordable. And if you don't think you can afford it, like add that to your cake price, so that way your customers pay for it. Your cakes will be finer, and it will be neater, and they will be happier for it. So thank you guys for always watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.